Here we are for day 15 of cursive handwriting. We're working on our capital letters. Today we're going to learn capital F, capital T, and capital I. The F and T are very similar. You'll like that because it's almost like making the same letter. So with our capital F, we're going to have to pick up our pencil on this one. The top of the F has a little curve. It starts right here underneath the top line, has a little curve around, and it kind of swoops down just a little bit. See how close that is still to the line? And I call that its hat. It's on the top. So you make that little motion. Then you're going to pick up your pencil. And you're going to come to the center of it, right about there. And you're going to come down all the way to the bottom line. And you're going to curve up this way. So you're going to curve up this way, all the way to the dotted line. Then you're going to put a little handle right there. Now, with the F, you have to cross it right up above the dotted line, just like this. Now, just think about this. This is what a print F looks like. This is what a cursive F looks like. If you cover up this and this, what does that look like? An F. So it's just got a fancy top and bottom there to make it look like a cursive letter. So we have to have that top a little bit below the top line, the hat. We curve around and we just barely loop down or scoop down right there and then come back and touch. Then you come and find the center, which is right about there. Come down, curve this way up to the dotted line. So it kind of looks like a print J, but it's not. Then you put that little handle right there, and then you cross. And that makes a capital F. So when you're ready, you can pause this video and practice making a line of capital F, and then go back and find the one that you think is the best and circle it. Now with our capital T, you'll be very happy to know it is exactly like a capital F. The only thing it doesn't have is that cross right there through the middle. So our capital T, we're going to do the same exact thing on the top. The hat on the top, find the middle, come down, over, and in, and you're finished with your capital T. I made that top just a little bit too big. I don't love that one. So the same thing you do for the capital F, you do for the T, except you don't cross it. So when you're ready, you can pause this video and make a line of capital T. Find the one that you think is your best and circle it. Okay, now we're ready for capital I. Now capital I is a little bit difficult because you feel like you're going backwards from what you've been doing. With our capital I, instead of starting over here and going this way, we actually start over here and go this way. So you kind of have to go backwards. So you're going to start at the bottom. You're going to loop around this way. So it's kind of different than what we've been doing. You're going to loop around this way, make a loop at the top, come back down. Now this part, you're going to do just like you did for the T and for the F. You're going to come up and you're going to touch that dotted line. Then you're going to put that little handle in there. Notice it does not touch. So it's kind of like making a, makes you feel like you're going backwards. Okay? It's kind of like making a backward L. So you want to do it without picking up your pencil. Okay, when you're ready, you can pause this video and make a line of capital I. Then go back and look at those See which one you think is your best and circle it. Okay, are we ready for some words? And the first word we're going to write is with a capital F. We're going to write the name Frank. F-R-A-N-K. So we've got our F. Now our F will not connect to the next letter, so we'll just start our R right there. F-R-A-N-K. Frank. Okay? You can pause this video and practice writing the name Frank. Okay, now we're going to write the name of a state that starts with T. We're going to write Texas. T. Now we don't connect to our next letter, so it just starts right here. T-E-X-A-S. Now notice I didn't cross my X whenever I wrote the word. It's kind of like with your I and your T. You don't cross it until you finish. So when I finish writing Texas, then I come over here and cross my X. T-E-X-A-S, and then I cross my X. Okay, when you're ready, write the word Texas. Okay, now we're going to write a name that starts with I. We have somebody in our class named Isabella, so I think we'll use her name. So we're going to write the I. Now, when I start my S, I'm just going to come right here to where the I started, and that's where I'm going to start. Now you have to be careful in the name Isabella because you've got this B right here with this tricky connection. So notice how that B and that E are connected right there. So I, S, A, B, E, L, L, A. Isabella. Okay, pause and practice writing the name Isabella. Okay, tomorrow we'll be together for day 16 and we'll learn our capital G and our capital F.